Oops, I went too fast. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I wanted to try the Bitten by the Kitten song because, you know, Henrik Linder, he's like going crazy. And then so yeah, I wanted to try that out. I realized when I was reacting to that video that it was pretty fast, but it wasn't until I said, well, let me try this out. Okay, let's practice it out a little bit. That I was like, oh my God, that's fast. So, yeah, I just thought, you know, I would, you know, practice and, you know, record myself practicing a little bit. Y'all can give me, you know, write down in the comments what you think the best way of learning that trick is and getting faster at it, because, you know, I teach a few people playing the bass, and, you know, I always tell my students, don't immediately go, because, like, first of all, a lot of times we'll mess up because of that timing. Whoops. So, getting that timing right and counting that out. Or even just starting off with just doing this so that this could get faster. And once you get that feel in your fingers, once you get that groove, then spreading it out. And then get the other fingers in. There we go. Anyway, but yeah, so So just wanted to you know, try that out. Like I said, try it out. Record myself doing it. You know, give a few pointers on, you know, what I think the best way of going about it and learning it is. And then once you get that groove of being able to play that fast, I don't know if he did this, but I just wanted to throw that in there since I was going that slow. And then, you know, you could even turn that into, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn that in, put it in my daily routine of practicing. What I do. Just right to the note. You know, just trying to get that getting that in your fingers. But yeah, I'm gonna try out some more stuff like this and you know, post some more things. I wanted to post myself on the page playing a little bit. You know, pretty soon I'll try to, you know, put some tracks together so I can, you know, play full songs and all that stuff, just to show y'all, you know, the skills I got. I'm not too crazy. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I'm not too crazy, but what really inspired me to even do this reaction page, or while doing the reaction page, it inspired me to get crazy and, you know, get back to that practicing and, you know, getting in, you know, that crazy practicing where my fingers are like always moving and stuff, because, you know, back in the day. But anyway. But yes, okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.